Come on! You're mountain dogs! Alright, so it turns out I was wrong about the last snow of the season. We have another heavy snowfall here in spring, and this is the puppies' first powder day. Oh man, look at, they love it. There's seriously nothing cuter than seeing these puppies play in the snow. Without further ado, I present you PUPDATE Week 8, Snow Day. Puppies are 8 weeks, so guess what that means? It's time for their first round of shots and to get their microchipped. Hi. Hi, so we are loading them up in the car to take them to the vet. Oh, hi. Oh, hey, buddy. I see little Regal.
Here's Regal.
Hi, Regal.
Got Colorado coats on.
Hi.
Rooster.
Hey, Rooster. Here we go. In the back of them. Alright, so this is their third car ride. You can hear them whimpering in the back. Poor things, they don't know what's going on. But I will try to talk over them and give you a little education purposes. Oops, my seatbelt. One thing I want to make note is today we're taking them to get their first round of shots at 8 weeks. They'll have another round of shots at 12 weeks, and then they'll have one more round of shots at 16 weeks. What's super, super, super important here, not just for Bernese Mountain Dogs and all dogs, is that when you get a puppy at a young age, do not take it outside, do not take it on walks. They are so susceptible to disease and illness, specifically parvo, that you don't want to take them anywhere. You want to keep them in the house. Even in your backyard, you got to be careful, especially around other dogs. So just the point I want to make here about while we're getting their shots is how important it is to keep your puppy inside and away from other dogs before it gets all their shots. That means don't bring your puppy to the dog park. Don't have your dog interact with the neighbor's dog. It means keep your puppy inside. It is so important and crucial for your dog's health. Another thing I want to make note about this parvo, poor things, is that just because your puppy is around a healthy dog does not mean that healthy dog cannot give your puppy parvo or some of these life-threatening illnesses. Just because it's healthy and it has its shots, it still can mean that it can carry the virus. So that's why when you take your dog out to go to the bathroom, it's very, very important that you just don't set it on a random piece of grass where all these other dogs pee and go to the bathroom, because that's how your puppy can get this illness. Hey guys, what are you guys doing back here?
Rubber gloves, those taste bad.
Aren't they cute?
They are cute.
Hi.
I helped bring you into this world, didn't I? I did. You're all soaked like you've been chewed on by your siblings. Rutherford?
Yeah, we go by Mac.
Oh.
AK Loverboy.
AK Loverboy. Well,
He's the only one who's easy to hold.
He literally is just a lump. That's all he does.
There. This is what you
Look
do.
at his feet. Look at his feet.
Is that what you're going to be? You're going to be a lump in front of somebody's fireplace? So we're doing their first round of vaccine, and then I heard microchip.
How are your cows and stuff?
I'll be right back. Everybody's good.
Do that.
In most cases, we would be going inside, but right now with the quarantine going on and everything going on, what's happening is one of the vets are coming out and grabbing one puppy at a time and bringing them inside to do their weights, shots, and microchips. So we're just trying to be safe about this, you know, with everything going on in the world. But we still want to make sure the puppies get their shots of microchips. Oh, you poor things. You poor things. I know, you guys.
It's very, very sad. Oh. But other than that, he got squiggles from everyone, huh?
So cute.
This one here is Regal.
Regal. Oh, there you go, baby.
This is Regal. It's a
Hi,
little girl.
You're big. Yeah, you're heavier. Come on,
Yeah,
sweetheart.
they already had baths and everything. They're dirty again. You want to help me here? Let's zip it.
Come on. You got it, bud. Slow and steady.